Hello everyone. So today I'll be showing you how to complete your KYC on Terminal Africa. The first thing you want to do is just sign into your account. If you are a new user, which is most likely, you would see this prompt to complete your KYC. Alternatively, you can just go to settings and click the KYC option, and it's a very simple process. All you have to do is enter your BVN number and also upload your photo ID, and not just any photo. It has to be like a valid photo ID, so like international passport, driver's license, or national ID card. So I'm just going to start with entering my BVN right here, and then also uploading a valid photo ID. Press submit, and you'd get like confirmation from the terminal team. I can't do this right now because I've already validated my KYC, but once that is approved, you should be able to start shipping.